Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a special effect using Filmora9, as you see at the beginning of this tutorial. So this is a very simple effect, just use a snapshot and a blending mode in Filmora9. So I'm going to jump into the software right now. It's very simple. So here I am in Filmora9. So I have no media in the library. Let's import it. And here is my example footage. So I'm going to use this dancer because I cannot dance, and of course I cannot dance beautifully. So I'm going to use him as an example. Let's drag and drop it onto the media library. Okay, and then drag and drop it on the timeline. Select Match to Media and click here to view the whole timelines. Then all we need to do is to play the video and stop where we want to have a free effect, and let's play it. Alright, so this position look fine, right? And I'm going to click this snapshot, take a snapshot of him. Okay, so here is the snapshot. Let's drag and drop it at the position of the playhead. Sorry. Okay, let's drag and drop him at the position where the playhead stopped. Okay, and extend it to the end. Let's play it. Okay, there's a zoom in and zoom out effect here, so let's kill it or remove it. Okay, and select it and go to crop, and then select crop and adjust the crop area to full screen. Click OK to go back to the timeline, and then here we have OK and free here, and then turn off this track by clicking on this I button. Okay, and click here, and then we can play the video, continue to play and find the next position where we want to free. Okay, this is cool. Take another snapshot. And then we do the same trick, drag and drop it to the playhead position, extend it, and also go to crop and select crop. Okay, it's full screen. Okay, no need to adjust anymore. And also hide it and go to another position, this position for example. Take another snapshot and do the same trick. Okay, go to crop again, select crop, adjust the crop area to full screen, click OK, and I think it should be okay. 3 images is okay, but actually you can do as many as possible. You can do whatever. You can take 5 or 6 or 7 snapshots. It's okay. It's up to you. This depends on you. Okay, so we finish the first step, and then we double click on the image on the timeline. Double click, go to image and select compositing. At the blending mode, we select darken. Okay, select darken and click OK. So this we do the same with all other image. Double click, select darken, and the same darken. Now we can turn on all the track and play to see the effect. Okay, I think it's great. But I want to stop here and then play reverse, so it kill the free frame. Okay, and we select all the track on the timeline, and then we split, and then also select all the track and delete and click OK. Now we need to export this one and bring back it to the media library. Okay, click export and example. And let's check the setting. It's okay, and click export, and then wait a second. So it's just some seconds, so it's very fast. Filmora render video very fast. And let's find the target and close this. And here's the target. Let's bring back to the media library right here and drag and drop it onto the timeline to where you want to. It's okay, any track. And we can press Ctrl R or go to speed control. Okay, Ctrl R, and then check this box, reverse speed, and click OK. Now we finish. So that's all. Now you can export the project, and it's all I want to share with you in this tutorial. If you have any question, let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.